Hello everyone, welcome to the third video of this Learn Useful Excel Tips series, and in this video we are going to talk about the function called concatenate. Now this function helps us in putting different piece of texts together, and let me tell you that it can help you put 30 different pieces of texts together. So let's see how we do it. Alright, so let's begin it then. So we see A, we have name 1, B we have name 2, and C we have concatenate. So let's see how we do it. So we can, the first way we do it is we can put is equal to and concatenate, and then we open the bracket as usual, and then we select the first text, first cell of the text, and then we select the second cell. Okay, so it has given us the name Ellen Jones in one cell. Now what if we want to put a space in between? If we have to put a space in between, what we have to do, let me show you. So again, we'll do concatenate, bracket open, we select the cell A3, and then okay, so we have to we discussed that we'll put space in between. Alright, so as we discussed in the previous videos, if we have to put space anywhere in between, we use inverted commas. So we use inverted comma here, and then comma, and then we put in the, then we select the B3 cell. Okay, so here we go, it gives us the name with a separator with a space here. So it is Ellen space Jones. Now what if you want to put a comma in between? If we do the comma in between, let's see how we do it then. So again, we do it the same way. Concatenate, okay, concatenate, we open the bracket, we select the first name, comma, and then inverted commas, and then we put comma in between, and then a comma again, and then we select the C3, the last name, and then we close the bracket, hit enter, and see, there we go, Ellen comma Jones. Alright, now what if you want to put in the last name first? If we do that, so let's see that also how to do. Okay, so concatenate, bracket open, and then we select the last name first, and then we put in comma, we use inverted commas, and then we put in comma in between, inverted comma closed, comma, and then we select the first name, and see what magic we have here. Alright, so it gives us the last name, then comma, then Ellen. So this is how we are going to do concatenate. Now I'll tell you the other way of doing it. There is one more way of doing it, and where we do not use to we do not have to use the function called concatenate. So let me drag this till here. Okay, now these are the texts that we have got using the function concatenate. Now what if we don't want to use the function concatenate? Fair enough, no issues. So what we'll do is we'll use a separator called end sign, and this is how it is going to help. Okay, so A3 and Ellen Jones. Now what if, as we were discussing, what if we want a comma in between? So let's see how to do it. Alright, so basically if we want to put a comma or put a space in between the names or in between the texts, so we do not have to do anything much. It is again easy thing. What we'll do is we'll do it like this, and then we discuss that we'll put in space. Okay, so here we go. Uh-oh, looks like I have made an error. Let me see. Okay, so my bad, we did it incorrect here. We have to put in just the end sign once again, and it returns the name. It puts the two different pieces of text here with space in between. Alright, now what if we need a comma in between? So let's see how we do it. So if we have to put in the comma in between, so we just need to select this and sign and then space. So for space, inverted commas, and then in between inverted commas we need to put the comma and then end sign again, and then we select the name to cell. So there we go, Carol Davies. Okay, now if you want to drag, you can drag it here and you see what is the result. So this is how it works, ladies and gentlemen. This is how you can put in 30 different pieces of information all together using a simple function called concatenate. And you can use it for your day-to-day reports. You can use it for your daily lives as well. So the choice is yours. You have learned how to use concatenate function, and you can do the same thing using the end sign. Alright, so that is it for today. So this is Corpcoach signing off for today with the third video. So do stay tuned in for new updates and new videos. Do like the video and subscribe the channel so that we can bring up more exciting tips for you.